Skills, and welcome back to the Road for Champions RTG edition. Welcome back to the Rich Man to Glory, and today we got our top 100 squad battle rewards. Actually, I believe it's gonna be top 10. I think we stayed ninth. We stayed ninth. With 10 minutes left, I was in ninth place. I did what you guys said in the comments down below to stay on Legendary and maybe go to Ultimate next week. With that being said, with 7 hours remaining, I still have 14 games of Foot Champions to go, bros. Right now, if you watched yesterday's episode, you know that I am 15-1, and I still have loads of games. So I'm gonna record this now, open up the rewards, and then jump directly into squad battles, and hopefully have enough time to finish all 14 of my games. Otherwise, that's a massive L. With that being said, squad battle rewards are here, ladies and gentlemen. So smash that big old thumbs up if you've been enjoying this series, and hopefully I can deliver some cool rewards, man. Draft rewards have given us a Ronaldo. Rival rewards have given us a Ronaldo. Squad battles are the only thing that haven't really paid out for us yet, but we are not complaining. Let me make sure I'm recording. Are we Gucci? Are we Gucci? We are Gucci. Let's jump into this bad boy, and let's hope that I can deliver to you guys some really sick packs. With that being said, bros, if you missed yesterday's episode, let me quickly show you what the team is that I'm rocking up with. Yes, it is a super awesome team. Mbappe, Makalele, Neymarzito, my man Raikkonen, the boy Vieira, Varane, Maldini, João Cancelo, Courtois, and the big boy Jordi Alba. On the bench, 5-game loan Aubameyang. Sanaldo, who I just picked up, only used him 5 games. He has 2 goals. He comes off the bench. And the guy I must show you is Cristiano. He has now played 50 games for us, I believe. He has 56 games played and 108 goals with 43 assists. This card is unbelievable. I mean, it's Cristiano. What do you expect? I need to pick up a Messi. Hopefully I can get one eventually, but right now we're at like 170,000 coins. If we can make some money in these squad battle rewards right now, maybe I will pick up a Messi or another icon. Our team is fire, and that's why we call this the Rich Man to Glory. But even with a big team, I am still grinding my squad battles because these rewards, yeah, I could put in FIFA points and do this and do that, which I'm up to like $800. I want to say 700 or 800. I think it's $800 now, bros, on this account. Up to $800. But I am still rocking out with squad battles because free rewards are free rewards, bros. Like, not free, you still have to play games, but you know, I focused on this even more than I focused on Foot Champs because I knew I was able to get a really good result for sure. I was guaranteed, and we finished 9th, bros. Yesterday I was 6th. We dropped 3 spots because I did pretty bad on the last set, but we did get 9th in the world, bros. I'm recording. I just want to make sure before I F this all up. 87,000 coins, bros. An ultimate pack and 2 rare player packs. That is huge rewards. Who is the new featured squad? If I could show you guys real quick, the new featured squad is going to be, I guess, nobody. I don't see the featured squad. Anyways, forget the featured squad. Y'all are here for one thing and one thing only, the big old rewards. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit that big subscribe button, man, and turn your bell on so you never miss an episode. 2 rare player packs, the ultimate pack, and what's this? Why? Oh, these are the pre-order packs. So we'll go ahead and get the pre-order packs. If you pre-ordered FIFA, I got the ultimate edition is the one I picked up, but this is just the pre-order packs here. Let's see, can we get boards out of the pre-order? That's a big fat no on the pre-orders. Want to tell you guys that Sanaldo off the bench for me has been pretty good. I can't really say too much because I didn't mean to do that. I don't want to throw all them away. Hold on now. I can't really say too much, bros, because I haven't played I haven't really played Foot Champs. So in squad battles, yeah, he's great off the bench if you're a squad battle type guy. But for Foot Champs, I can't really tell you guys exactly if he is beast off the bench or not. All right, but in squad battles, I love him. One more pre-order pack real quick for y'all to drop on your chesticles. Let's see if we get something. We're not getting a walkout. Can we get boards? Yes, we do get boards out of our pre-order packs. Belgium, left mid, is probably Carrasco. It is Carrasco. We get Carrasco, the old Atletico Madrid man. I thought this guy, like, I'm not gonna lie to you, when I saw him first time I play for like Monaco and stuff, I thought this guy had a very bright future. Ooh, he must sell. No, I thought he sold for more because he links up like Mbappe and Neymar and stuff. We also get Shaqiri in that pack, which is pretty Gucci gang. And again, these are just the pre-orders, baby. Just the pre-order packs. Ooh, 3,000 coins as well, and an engine. That's not bad, man. That's cheeky rewards right there. Oh wow, Carrasco goes for a little bit as well. All right, so that wasn't too bad. The pre-orders kind of you know, didn't do us too. I keep pushing it down the wrong way. I didn't mean to do that, bros. I want to keep the contract cards and fitness cards and engines. All right, the rest can go to the trash, baby. With that being said, the time is here, man. Y'all are here for this. Let's do it. Let's make it pop. Let's get it going. Next week, I think I'm gonna play on Ultimate, and if I get top 100, I get it. If I don't, then I don't know. Or should I just continue to play? Let me know in the comments down below. Do I play it for top 10, or do I go to Ultimate and play for #1, the world? Top 10 is huge. Look at this. 2 rare player packs and an ultimate pack. Should I just play for top 10? Let me know in the comments down below. Here we go. First pack here. Rare player pack. Are we going to get any? I don't want to look. I don't want to see if I get walkout. I don't want to see. Like, I don't want to know. Are we going to get? We're going to get boards. Is it a walkout, though? Portuguese? CDM. Imagine. William Carvalho, but could you imagine if we hit like another goal Ronaldo? Y'all would go mad, bro. If I hit another Ronaldo, y'all would call so much rigged. It would be absolutely unbelievable. Not bad here though. William Carvalho is selling for something. Okay, I like it. I like it a lot. We like it, bros. We also get Kempembe. I suck with his name, bro. Ooh, okay. On my road to on my career mode, on my second channel, if you guys like career mode, more A9 skills, I wanted to buy Kempembe, but I suck with his name, and I know y'all are gonna make fun of me because I suck with his name. Maybe that's how you say it though. We get the boy Kepa as well from Chelsea. He's going for a whopping 3K. We'll lob that up real quick. Shinji Kagawa, going for, you know, a little bit as well. So we're gonna make some money here off this pack. Bakayoko, I think, goes for like 2 or 3K as well. Oh no, wow, he goes for nothing now. Oh, Bakayoko, what happened to you, brother? You used to be the man. You used to be the man, brother. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and discard the rest and keep it moving, bros. I got to get into foot champs, bros. I'm a little bit nervous to finish these last 15 games. What I got? 14 games. Last 14 games. Hopefully I can do good. Here we go. Rare player pack. Let's see if we're going to get a walkout. I'm looking this time. Walkout, no walkout, bros. The letters would light up. You would see it. Oh, a one to watch, though. Let's go. Who is... Oh, that's the striker from Real Madrid. Let's go. Does he play a lot? He played this weekend. He played this weekend. I saw he played this weekend. I saw that 100% in Madrid's loss. I saw him on, I think he was on the field. I'm pretty sure he was on the field. So if this guy can start scoring some goals for Real Madrid, this could become a pretty sick one to watch, to be honest with you. He plays for a big team in Europe. He could get a bunch of one to watches. I'm pretty happy with that. 4-star weak foot, 3-star skiller. I mean, it's not a bad one to watch to have, is it? Also, we get Zaha, who I think Zaha, I wanted to compare for, he sells. I'm pretty sure Zaha sells. Warner the Burner is going for a cheeky like 7K as well. We'll lob him up really quickly one time for the people. My boy Smaldini will lob up. We get Herrera, the FC Porto man who Benfica beat this weekend. Let's get it, pros. Big win for Benfica. Sorry to my Porto fans. I throw it out there real quick. And the one to watch, I'm going to keep him around. Oh, wow. He sells for a bit. 20K. Do I sell him? Oh, that's a tough one. Do I sell him? It's one of those ones where it's like, this team is so big that will I ever use him? Or should we sell him? I almost want to sell him, bro, and try to get up to another icon. Am I making a mistake here? Am I making a mistake here, bros? Ugh, I feel like I'm making a mistake. I'm gonna list them up for 19. YOLO Swaggerino, bros. Sometimes in life, you gotta live life on the edge, bro. Sometimes you have to live life on the edge. I sold them. This is it, the ultimate pack. Also, if I want to show you guys, but I believe that if you get Division 1, I'll show you in a minute where I'm at in Rivals, but I believe if you get Division 1, Rank 1, you actually pick up an ultimate pack. So we're going to find out right now from squad battles how good an ultimate pack really is and if it's worth getting up to Division 1 and Rivals. Right now I'm in Division 2, very close to Division 1, and I'm going to show you guys that in a minute. I think I'm very close, probably like 100 points away. Either way, y'all are here for this bad boy right here. So let's find out what comes out of it. The big boy ultimate pack from number 9 in the world. Can we get not even a walkout? That's brutal. That's brutal. For everyone that said this account is rigged, there you go. There you go. And all year long last year, getting top 100 in squad battles and getting top 100 in foot champions, this is the type of stuff I got. You guys see it now, bros. Yes, the 2 Ronaldos was mental, but this is normal rewards for me, bros. This is, we just reality check, back to normal, brothers. Back to normal. We get Benzema and my man Bruno Fernandes, Pepe Reina, and the boy Talisca. Like, that's just, I mean, ooh, man. My boy Junior is in there. He looks like a pretty fun card. I'm pretty much gonna, actually, you know what? I should just keep everything. Why am I selling? Let me keep everything that, oh no. Everything that's not a duplicate I wanna keep because I do so many SBCs and those 2 player packs are so big that, you know what I'm saying? Like, all right, now I'm back up to the duplicates. Let's go back up top and get rid of the duplicates. I wanna keep, you know, that stuff on that side, bros, because I do so many SBCs. But bros, There you go, man. There you see it, man. So the ultimate pack really didn't pay out, but still, we got 87,000 coins. We got Zaha and stuff, which will pay us a little bit, that one to watch. So we probably made like 200K from getting 9th in the world. It's nothing crazy, nothing to write home about, but, you know, it is what it is. We got to finish these FUT champions ASAP Areno. With that being said, let me show you real quick. I'm rank 5 right now because I just haven't played my FUT champ games, and I got to play rivals. If I get up to here, I am going to pick up 2 mega packs and then 4 Electrum player packs. And I don't know if there's still a glitch that's not showing properly, but I always take the untradables. So that's what you get for rank 1, Division 2. And as you can see, I am at 2,261. And for Division 1, you got to be at 2,400. So I am literally 120 points or something, 140 points away from Division 1. So we're very close to Division 1. I am going to finish FUT champions and then jump directly into FUT rivals because I want to get Division 1 rewards for you guys next week. So we have how many days until this closes? I got to finish FUT champs, which closes today in 6 hours. I got to finish that first. And then we got rivals, which finishes in 3 days, 6 hours. We got to get up to Division 1 as quickly as possible, bros, because I really want to try to bring you guys rank 1 Division 1 rewards. This week, I think we should do okay because I have 14 games left. Every game you play in FUT champions, you get 400 points if you didn't know that. So 400 times 14, I'm not going to do math because the way I suck at saying names, the same way I suck at math, but I'm sure that's going to put me at least up to rank 2, I would imagine. And then throughout the week of just trying to get to Division 1, I'm pretty sure I can get rank 1. So we're going to go for the rank 1 rewards in Division 2 again, or we did Division 3 last week when we got one to watch Ronaldo, and we're going to go from there. So bros, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I wish I could give you more content in this video. Let me see if there's any SBCs to do, but I gotta quickly jump on the ball and make sure I go and do this mother sucking whatchamacallit, the FUT champions, bros, because the time is running out. Joseph Martinez are just way too expensive to complete. We got a bunch of you know, Pacos in there. These are the swap cards. I don't know if I really care too much. Mega pack. Okay. All right, so we might have some SBCs in tomorrow's videos because there is a lot of SBCs to complete here. Let me know in the comments down below what SBC is worth it, which SBC is not worth it. If you think it's worth it, please let me know because I will do it ASAP Areno. What do you need to get this mega pack right here? Let me know if you guys want me to do this. You need, oh my God, FUT swap deals. Players exactly 8 for a mega pack? I don't know about that, bros. Hey, it's been your boy AA.